Hi, I'm Connor Green, and if this is your first time tuning in, I'm a realtor here in Tampa Bay. And today I'm in sunny Madeira Beach, and I'm about to show you a brand new coastal luxury townhome that's going to be built right here in the heart of this beach town. With intercoastal balcony views and a variety of restaurants and bars within walking distance, it's a maintenance-free paradise. The welcoming open floor plan features 2 spacious guest bedrooms and a dream 3rd floor master suite. The owner suite boasts a massive bedroom, walk-in closet, luxury ensuite bathroom, and a gorgeous 3rd floor water view. With an oversized 2-car garage, it has plenty of storage space not only for your cars, any scooters, but also for your bikes and your water sports equipment. And being just steps from the intercoastal and steps to the beach, it's really the best of both worlds. Unit number 2 in this exclusive pre-construction development is the last available unit in the 800s if you're looking to stay under the $1 million mark. Take advantage of the 15-day worry-free guarantee and secure your townhome today before someone else does.